We have all accepted a specific timeline for our bodies. We grow, we peak, and eventually we expect to break down. Society treats physical and mental decay as an absolute certainty, but longevity scientists are looking at the data differently. Cellular degradation is no longer viewed as an unstoppable clock. It is now actively classified and treated as a curable condition. The current frontier of biological engineering is pushing into territory that sounds almost absurd. Labs are successfully reprogramming human cells and extending health spans far beyond what we assumed was a hard biological limit. Curious, which raises an uncomfortable question. If the science of longevity is advancing this rapidly, why does the actual medical care you receive feel so rigidly stuck in the past? The foundation of medical training relies heavily on historical curriculums. Doctors are taught to memorize universally accepted protocols rather than experiment with cutting-edge science. This rigid structure is enforced by the liability system. If a physician deviates from historically safe practices to implement a highly effective, newer optimization protocol, they risk severe legal exposure. The system aggressively punishes innovation. This chart compares scientific discovery to clinical implementation. Lab discoveries show exponential growth, while clinical application flatlines, leaving practitioners 10 years behind. The establishment reacts to illness through disease management. Proactive health optimization falls entirely into this empty space between the curves, the optimization gap. Paying a premium does not fix the structural flaw. Even the most expensive traditional concierge doctors operate under the exact same liability constraints. They are highly paid to manage you efficiently once you are already sick. For high performers, relying on the medical system for true longevity is a dead end. To maximize lifespan, you have to bypass the establishment and engineer your health yourself. Proactive health engineering requires deliberately forcing your body to adapt. You apply extreme environmental stressors to trigger a specific biological response. To see how this works in practice, we can look at one of the premier biological testing grounds for this theory, Phuket, Thailand. The baseline environment here is intensely taxing. The combination of high heat and heavy, saturated humidity places a constant, passive drain on the body's cardiovascular system and cellular energy reserves. Layering that climate with the extreme physical stress of endurance work and high-impact striking arts like Muay Thai, the demands on the body multiply rapidly. If you try to fuel this level of output with generalized Western dietary advice, like basic calorie counting, your body will break down. Standard metrics simply cannot calculate the cellular repair required to survive this combination of environmental and physical stress. The specific proactive countermeasure to this environment is a protocol known as the Phuket Performance Diet. This visual compares a high-volume Western meal with a dense nutritional cluster. We abandon outdated calorie counts, ruthlessly prioritizing nutrient density. When physical trauma creates micro-tears in your tissues, this dense concentration of nutrients deploys immediately, filling gaps and repairing cellular walls. The Phuket Performance Diet acts as a biological upgrade designed to succeed exactly where standard medical advice fails. In practice, executing this diet means sourcing your inputs exclusively from locally abundant, seasonal, and minimally processed Thai whole foods. This exact localization yields a massive intake of specific trace minerals, essential vitamins, and naturally occurring anti-inflammatory compounds that often degrade during long-distance commercial transport. Relying on standard resort or tourist trap diets introduces heavy pesticide loads and refined sugars. These specific inputs disrupt hormone production and trigger systemic inflammation throughout the body. By aggressively filtering out those toxins and maximizing local whole foods, you create an active biological defense system. Your hormone levels stabilize, and your immune response drastically improves. This sharp reduction in inflammation allows muscle fibers to repair at an accelerated rate, guaranteeing sustained energy for the next round of elite physical training. True longevity and peak performance are not therapies you can pick up in a doctor's clinic. They are architectural structures built daily through precise, deliberate environmental inputs. You cannot achieve a hyper-optimized state by waiting for a prescription to manage a disease you already have. By utilizing environment-specific strategies like the Phuket Performance Diet, You stop waiting for the medical establishment to catch up, and you take absolute control over your own biological future.